Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with you, Chris here. We are going to be installing the Fleximounts 3x8 height adjustable storage rack by Fleximounts. Just like all my videos, guys, in the description box below, this video is going to be this exact same link. They also offer different size models. They got a ton of them. They make 4 foot across by 6, 4x8. I'll have those again linked below. This is height adjustable, 22 inches to 40-inch ceiling drop, and I'll be showing you the studs that I will be installing them into. I have exposed garage studs, but you can use a stud finder if you do not have exposed studs. The weight capacity is 550 pounds for this model, and this is a great way to get things off your garage floor. My garage is very unorganized and I need to put some organization in, so this is where this comes in beautifully handy. All right, guys, let's take a look at the overhead rack and how I installed it here. Now, the space is very cramped, but I was able to do it with ease, which is beautiful, and I'm gonna be able to get all of this junk, and this is definitely not an organized garage, but this makes it a lot easier. I got boxes, I got stuff right here. I was gonna install it right here, and I wanna talk why I did not install that and an option for you. Now, my beams are exposed, my studs, beams, however you want to pronounce it. And I'm looking at 24 inches across. That's if you're measuring from the outside of that one, it would be more around 23 or so if I measured it from the center to center. So that's my gap of space I have between these beams here. Now, I wasn't able to install it correctly going this direction because, again, this is the 3-foot one. If I wanted to do that, I would have to have my braces over here on this side, and I would need the 4x8 or 4x6. They do offer that as well. I'll have those different sizes linked below, again, in the description box below. Let's come back to this one now. So again, this is the 3x6. That's the reason why I wasn't able to do that. You can alter these going this direction, or you can have it going that direction if you want. But since I have it going this way here, what I did is I just screwed in. You can flip-flop that as well. So again, these crossbars can go this direction. If I was mounting it on that one, I just didn't have the space between the slots. It would need, again, a 4-foot across for the beams going that way to hold into the beams, because you want 2 bolts in each beam. All the hardware is provided as well. And these mounts actually are capable of being installed into cement roofs as well. They give you those, follow along with the directions, and it'll be good to go for whatever you want to do, wood or solid cement. Let's go ahead and talk about the mounts now briefly. Again, I have them running this way along the studs. There you can see one bolt right there. The other bolt is right there. Now, again, total in weight would be 550 pounds. There are 4 decks here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for, again, 8 feet long and 3 feet across. So I have these ones going here and here, the same as the other side here, dropping down, of course. And let's take a look at the middle ones. So the middle ones are the same way, going across that side and that side. I had to move that light down a little bit, and that is attached on the other side of the light there for the middle ones. And then these attach together here with these little bottom brackets. Make sure you put them on this way where the little lip attaches here. Then you screw on your 4 nuts here, here, and here. The ends just screw on like this, and the middle pieces are joined together with a couple nuts here and then over here on this side here. So they all come together here. There's 4 of these little brackets that you put on the ends. One there, one there, one there, and one here as well. And then again, all these pieces are linked together with one nut here, one nut there, with the ends right here and on this side right here. So it's very well made, very sturdy. I'm gonna go ahead and load this sucker up, get some stuff off my garage, organize. We'll show you. All right, guys, let's take a look at the action. I have it stacked up real nicely. All those boxes in the corner we saw are no longer there. Let's go ahead and flip a little bit of light here. Working on organization. This particular garage is going to take a while, but these racks definitely help out with the job. Because I have an exposed ceiling, I'm able to go up a little bit higher than drywall, but I don't think I've actually passed if I did have drywall up there. But remember, these can drop from a minimum of 22 inches down to 40 inches. So if you look at my crossbars here, these would be able to drop down more. You want 2 bolts of them but I definitely have more room to go. This gives me plenty of room. I'm 5'9" on a good day, and I'm gonna be able to easily walk underneath this, even with full upright posture, not hitting my head at all. So just be aware of that as you lower it down to the height that you want it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this here. I'm able to get my tennis rackets, all my reselling boxes, all my gardening equipment up there. We got some more sporting equipment. We still have this whole entire section right here. We really haven't given it the full capacity that it deserves, but I'm just giving you guys some examples here. The company also does sell bicycle hooks that hook onto the rack, so you're able to hook bicycles underneath or straight up and down on the wall here. Now remember, if you're not actively walking underneath this or parking your car underneath this, if this is going to be in the back corner of some garage, you can lower that down to the full capacity, stack that up to 550 pounds, hook on your bicycle racks, so you get these out of the way in the middle of the garage, and these would of course be on this. Due to the garage here, we have a wood lathe under here. A bicycle would be able to fit, but I want a little bit of walking room as I walk underneath this here. As you can see, plenty of space, full standing upright position, posture, and I have a lot of room where I'm not gonna bang my head unless I jump, which of course I wouldn't do that. So guys, overall, I'm very pleased, very sturdy, very well made material. Guys, in the description box below, once again, is going to be this exact same rack, not to mention some other sizes as well. Go see what other people are saying about it. Go get your hands on a couple of them, 1, 2, 3, if you have a big garage. Hit that thumbs up button if it is giving you an informed decision. But please, just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it intrigues you and you have the cash, go ahead and purchase on away. Hit that subscribe button on your way out. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care and enjoy your rack. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.